Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Hina from Soulful Adventures. So, here we are for our tarot reading for the month of May. It's an official Taurus season which starts from April 19 and ends at May 20. So, Taurus is a sign of patience, reliability, stability. So, it is a sign where we have to ground ourselves, balance, and think. Okay, after the faster movement of Aries sign, there is the phase of stability, we can say, where we have to settle down, think properly, indulge ourselves into comfort, stability, luxury. Okay, and with all the love, think for the future plans. It's a proper season to, you know, it's a quite proper season where you can meditate, when you can think about new plans, your new future, and then make plans for coming season of Gemini, Cancer, and Leo. Okay, this is a season of planning, guys. So welcome to the Taurus season, and let's check out what are the tarot reading for each sign. Hey guys, let's see now what Leo tarot reading is going to be for the month of May 2020. Now, Leos are a kind of strong, independent, fiercey, aggressive, egoistic kind of people. Now, they are a kind of energy where they want to be happy and fun loving, at the same time more relaxed, poised, romantic, deep, very intuitive sign. Let's see what Taurus season is bringing to them. I'll draw 6 cards for them. I'm right now shuffling the cards for Leos. First card, second card, third card, just adjust this, fourth card, fifth card, sixth card, overall energy. So Leos, let's see now what is the first card, first position telling you. First position is all about the current situation. So current situation, Leos, there is a Wheel of Fortune, very positive card, very positive situation. Wheel of Fortune means something is going to change completely 360 degrees. There is a change in your life. It can be new opportunities, new beginnings, old habits going to end, new startups, new jobs, new business, new love. Wheel of Fortune is all about new beginning with lots of changes, a 360 degrees change, we can say. This is what a current situation is going through in the month of May. Second position is all about the external forces that is going to affect your growth. External environment that is going to affect your growth. So the card is Queen of Pentacles. Usually Queen of Pentacles is a sorted woman with all the wisdom she has and patience she has regarding material world, whether it is money, whether it is career, whether it is health. But Leos, this month you have to take up the charge. Plan for yourself. Go ahead beyond this comfort zone, beyond the patience, limitation to your growth. is not a serious this month, but it is a kind that sometimes over patience can cause you, you know, resist you going ahead. So try not to get too much into your comfort zone this month. The third card for you, the third position is channelizing your energy. So the third card, very openly, it is the devil. Now the devil cards is all about the old habits, bad habits, jealousy. It can be something which is affecting your nature, some sadness, some sorrows, you know, some negativity. So you have to get rid of this. Channelize your complete energy this month to get rid of your old bad habits, your egoistic behavior, maybe some behavior which may cause harm to others or to self. You have to channelize your energy, focus, devote your energy to this card this month, to come out of the chains of the devil, to go ahead and to break the chains of these old habits. The fourth card, the fourth position, is all about resistance. Again, the hermit mode. Now hermit is one of my favorite card again, but the position it comes is the resistance, which is your inner resistance to your own growth. So sometimes it can happen that you are too much into hermit mode, too much into, that lonely phase which you like to be, comfort phase that you like to be as Leos. You have to come out of this phase now. Take a charge, because your outer and inner limitations are you only. The comfort zone which you are in, take a charge in the month of May and start learning new. Start executing the wisdom which you have got, the patience you have got from the Queen and the Hermit in the month of May. The stabilization position, that is the fifth position, is about Seven of Wands. Now Seven of Wands, when 7 comes, it means that you have more confidence upon the frustrations, something related to your passion, your spirit were challenging you, but you are going to be on top of them with more confidence to become more stable. Take a charge and fight with it, because after this, the future outcome, we can say, the sixth card, the position where it stands, is the Fool. Take that forward leap of faith. It means there is a good friend kind of energy, carefree kind of energy, freedom, when your world will change your old habits. Channelize your energy to change your old habits, to come out of the patient and lonely and all the meditation phase. Take up the charge with confidence, and you have to take the forward leap, because all the freedom is coming to you guys in the month of May. Overall energy of you is Judgment, so some decision has to be made in the month of May. At the end of May, overall decision making energy would be for this month, and you will be able to take up the charge and go ahead. Good cards, not so bad, not beautiful, but good cards for this month. Let's meet in the month of June and see what it would be giving you more direction regarding your habits and changes in life for the Gemini season. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.